What's really interesting about this type of software and with AI is you're not only getting better clinical care through, quality control standards of care, treatment success, but that relates to financial outcomes. So by doing better treatment, you're making more money. You're getting better case acceptance. You can point to the screen and say, Mrs. Jones, I don't just think you have caries, but this independent third party AI also agrees that you have caries, building trust with your patients. And then lastly, an instant return on investment. When we integrate with an office for a clinic for Prax Intelligence, we show 750,000 to $1 million in opportunity on day one with their existing patient base through patients that have been missed on diagnoses or are in the wrong type of treatment or should have had this but should have this. So it allows you to bring your clinical care up and decrease your decision fatigue.